Hey, spiritual seekers, get ready for a cosmic event you do not want to miss. On September 7th, 2025, the skies are setting the stage for the longest total lunar eclipse in years, a breathtaking blood moon. If you're in Asia, Africa, or Europe, count yourself lucky, because you're right in the front row. So, what's actually happening? Well, for a full hour and 21 minutes, Earth will slip perfectly between the sun and the moon, casting a deep shadow across the lunar surface. As sunlight filters through our atmosphere, it scatters the blue and green, bathing the moon in a dramatic, otherworldly red. That's the blood moon, a sight that's equal parts science and spiritual wonder. But this isn't just about stargazing or snapping that perfect photo. Energetically, blood moons mark powerful karmic turning points. The full moon's energy is already intense, but during an eclipse, it's supercharged, making this the ultimate moment to release what's no longer serving you. Think of it as cosmic spring cleaning. Here's how I'm planning to harness this energy. First, I'm grounding myself. Whether it's meditation, deep breathing, or just standing barefoot on the earth, grounding helps me stay centered, while eclipse energy swirls all around. I'll keep hematite or black tourmaline close too, crystals that are perfect for staying anchored. Next, I'll journal about what I'm ready to let go of, old fears, grudges, limiting beliefs. And yes, I'm doing a safe little fire ritual, burning those written intentions and watching the smoke carry them away. One golden rule: no manifesting or launching new plans during the eclipse window. This energy is unpredictable. Better to reflect and release than to push forward right now. So mark your calendar, set your intentions, and let the blood moon guide you through transformation. Don't just witness the eclipse, experience it, and let it light up your spiritual journey.